Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the important question in the chapter Money and Credit. First, what is barter system? Barter system of exchange in which the goods are directly exchanged without use of money. Means in the barter system there is no use of money. Next question, what is a check? A check is a paper instruction to the bank to pay a specific amount from the person account to the person whose name of the check has been issued. Next question, recognize the situation when the both parties in a barter economy have to be agreed to sell and buy each other commodities and what is called. This is known as a double coincidence of want. Next question, what is meant by double coincidence of want? In a double coincidence of want, both parties, seller and the buyer, have to be agreed to sell and buy each other commodities and goods are directly exchanged without the use of money. Next, how does money eliminate the need for double coincidence of want? If you have money in your pocket, you can purchase anything at any time as you wish. By this, money eliminates the need for double coincidence of want. Next, what are the two form of modern form of currency? The two form of modern currency are paper notes and coin. The next questions, how does money act as a medium of exchange? Money acts as a medium of exchange as an intermediate in the exchange process and transaction. We can buy things if we have money in your pocket. Next question, who issue currency note in India? The answer is Reserve Bank of India. The next, why one cannot refuse the payment made in a rupees in India? One cannot refuse a payment made in rupees in India because it is accepted as a medium of exchange and the currency is authorized by the government of India. Now next question, who supervise the functioning of formal sources of loan? The Reserve Bank of India supervise the functioning of formal sources of loan. The next question, how can money be easily exchanged itself for the goods or services? Give one two example to explain. Money acts as a medium of to exchange itself for goods and services. Person holding money can easily exchange it for any commodities or service that he or she might want. Everyone prefer to receive payment in money and exchange the money for the thing they want. For example, shoes maker want to sell shoes in the market and buy wheat, and the shoes maker will the firstly exchange shoes for money and then exchange the money for the wheat. If the shoes maker had to be used directly exchange shoes have for wheat without a use of money, he would look for the wheat growing farmer who not able to want to sell wheat but also want to buy the shoes in exchange. Both the parties have to agree to sell and buy each other commodities. This process is very difficult and time consuming and unhealthy. Next question, how is money used as a medium of exchange? Explain with example. Money act as a medium of exchange in the following way. First, overcome the problem of double coincidence of want. For example, if person need a wheat in exchange of tea, then he or she must search for the person who is ready to trade with for tea, and money made need for such search evidence. And second, act as a medium defer payment and has a store value. Next question, what are the modern form of money? Why rupees widely accepted as a medium exchange? Explain two reasons. The modern form of money are listed as paper currency, coins, demand deposit, check, and the rupees is accepted as a medium of exchange because it come over the problem of double coincidence of want and it is authorized by the government of India.